Relax, enough of that, boo boo. Hello guys, Bellas, welcome to my channel. Throwbell. I tried, you guys, so many times I tried to pronounce that correctly, but so in today's video we're going to review the new Fenty product goodies, guys. Thank you, Fenty Beauty. And thank you, Zach Communications. Okay, so here we have the brushes, which I've been dying to try these. So we have all three of the brushes here. And then we have we have three shades in the bronzer. So we have the coconutty, we have caramel cutie, and we got beige and gal. I'm a Guyanese gal. And then for the highlighter we have afternoon snack, more honey for more money. And then we got penny for you thoughts. So let's get right into today. We'll be doing a full face glam with all Fenty products. So what I'm going to do, actually, I am going to get my eyebrows done off camera and then I'll be right back with you. Okay, so now that my brows are on, let's get to the makeup. So I'll be using the Fenty primer. So I really love this primer. I use it all the time on all my clients as well, because I find like it really grabs on or grips the makeup and it makes it last really long, surely. And it has a little bit of texture to it, so it really fills in like fine lines and these pothole pores that I have. Like, you can't see it, but they're just there. So next we're gonna go in with foundation, and I'm in the shade 345. Guys, I am so excited that I got this package in the PR, because I've been hunting for a bronzer. Usually what I would use is like just regular face powder bronzers instead of like an actual bronzer. But now that I have it, yay! Tick time. I actually prefer to apply my foundation with a beauty blender than an actual brush, because I find that it goes on a lot more, like way better. Flawless finish, no streaks or from the bristles of the brush, and it just looks perfect, like perfect. And of course includes the photos. Boy, bend me over, grab me if some, bring me closer. So comment down below, let me know what's your favorite way of applying foundation. Obviously I am obsessed with beauty blenders. If I do use a brush though, I would definitely finish with a beauty blender to get that really smooth, flawless finish. And I use my beauty blender damp, I do not use it dry. Boy, may well once you know ya. Let's get familiar. Alright, so our foundation is on. We need concealer to cover up these bad boys, because for a mama of two, where did I go to school? You need as much coverage as possible because you're a lack of sleep, okay? Alright, so I am number 310 in the concealer, in the Pro Filter concealer. Don't judge. I love my concealer really bright, so We need that to be popping.
Bring me closer, point me well, want me know ya. Come be my lover. Bend me over, bend.
Is actually the first time I'm using the Fenty foundation and concealer. And I'm happy that I'm doing it in the review, so I can really tell you how it is. The concealer, I find like you gotta work really quickly with it because it dries like faster than any regular concealer that I know. So you just really gotta work quickly with it. The coverage is beautiful. So good. So good.
Bend me over, bend me over, bend me over.
So you see that under eye brightness just like wake you all up. That's what I want. That's what I love.
Don't feet, tick tock, them a wine and dip. Brace me, I just wine on it. With your pen, just sign on it. Boy, me body just a coffee. I'm in a wine.
So for setting powder, we're going to be using the Fenty Beauty in the shade Banana. Why do I keep repeating the Fenty Beauty? We already knew that the video is about smudging my top Fenty Beauty products. So, alright, so I apply my setting powder with the same beauty blender as well. So before I go into setting that, I just like to smooth that out because a lot of time, like when you take a minute or a pause, it really falls up in the creases on the eyes or anywhere where you have like tiny wrinkles. And if you set it that way, that's how it's going to remain throughout the day. So we don't need no creased up face more than the creases that I already have. And I'm just going to go right into the powder and set that.
It's obvious that me and you, we just walk all night, make we go walk. Not a man, just a walk until me.
Whatever you're doing right now, just bring out a perfume fragrance with this banana, vanilla, pineapple soakiness we're going on right now. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what it smells like, but it just smells like something that I want to smell all the time, all day. Okay, so we are going to dust this off. So far, I am loving the coverage of this foundation with the concealer. Like, it settles really nice. The powder, okay, let's see. So the powder is fine. Okay, let's see. It looks a little bit dry on the skin, but let's see at the end how it looks once we spray that to add a little bit moisture back into the skin. But so far, so good. Now to bronze. So we have Caramel Cutie. I think Caramel Cutie is the shade that I think would suit me best. So this is what this looks like. The other is Coconutty, so I'm thinking this might be a little bit too dark, but let's just see how pigmented they are. The other is Beige Gal. This one is pretty, this one is workable as well, but I really love the undertone of the Caramel Cutie, so let's use the Caramel Cutie. And of course, I'm going to be using the bronzing brush. Okay, let's get this open. The color of these, so I'm going to be using the bronzing brushes, just everything's so cute.
So boy, bend me over, grab me up, bring me closer. Boy, me well want to know ya.
So this is what the 190 bronzer brush looks like. Yeah, it is so pretty. And then I'm going to use that was beautiful. Excuse me. Get it no off will come off. This is really good. Okay, we got it off. We got it off. Okay, actually first I'm just going to lightly bronze the rest of my face with the small brush here, and then I'm going to use the other to just really chisel it and make it a little bit sharper. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the little bit. This is so good. Oh my, it's just like really hugging. It's called like the hugging brush or something like that, but it's like really just gliding on the face like freaking magic, guys. Alright, so now for my nose contour. I'm not like a big nose contour person, but I'm just going to, you know, make the rest of the nose match the face.
Let's get familiar. Boy, bend me over, grab me hips and bring me closer. Boy, me well want to know ya. Come be my lover. Bend.
Just look at that. Just look at the difference. Like this one side is giving me hella okay. This one side is okay. Right. Now for eyes, I'm going to go in with the same bronzer.
Bend me over, bend me over, bend me over, bend me over. Rumming on me head so hot tonight.
And then just to add a little bit more depth or dimension to it, I'm going to add a little bit of the coconut, which is a slight bit darker. And I'm just going to press that on the out corner of my eyes. This definitely have a little bit more like a redder undertone finish to it, while the other is a little bit warmer. Okay, so now let's go to like hair. This is what this one looks like. It's like a really bronze, and it has some really pretty gold reflex, almost like glitter dust in it. And these are the packaging. It's the normal packaging. I'll be using the Honey an afternoon shag highlighter, and I'll be using the mini highlighter brush to apply it all on my face because I want to be glowing to the odds right now. Okay, but before I do that, I like to spray. I'm gonna use the Mario Badescu spray just to add a little bit moisture back to the face, so when I put the highlighter on, it's like really gripping and gliding on really exactly how I want it to glide up. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty sure you guys already see. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using both shades. Okay, so let's be prepared. Oh. Yes.
I gotta be so fresh. Party sweet from we rich. This I be so gosh. Wanna live it up so what? Wanna give it up so what? Might as well you and I just cut. Make we go walk all night. We just a walk. Not a man and just a walk. Just a walk until me.
Penny for you tots. I'm gonna use this as an eyeshadow actually. So I'll use my little pinky finger, and I'm going to apply that all over.
So boy, bend me over, from me hips.
Go back in with that same shade. Just smoke a tiny bit of that just under the eye.
Boy, me well want to know ya. Let's get familiar. Boy, bend me over, from me hips and bring me close.
So now I'm going to pop some lashes on, and then I'll be right back. And it just does so much. So now I'm going to do my lips. So for lips, I'm going to use a little dark lip liner.
Boy, me well want to know ya. Come be my lover. Bend, just bend.
And lipstick. I am going in with the Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint. There I go saying Fenty Beauty again. We all know what you're doing. It's a Fenty Beauty review. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Unbutton in this Stunner Lip Paint. And just blend it right with this one. And just by doing that, kind of like really blends everything all together for you. And now just to pop this off and give it a little bit more shine, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty and just to add a little bit more, I'm going in again with our highlighter. We're going to be using, let's use Honey, and then we're going to use it to highlight a little bit in the tear duct area.
So boy, bend me over, grab me hips and bring me closer. Boy, me well want to know ya. Let's get familiar. Boy, bend me over, grab me hips and bring me closer.
And there you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this look as much as I am living for it right now. The primer, love, I definitely recommend it. The foundation and the concealer goes really well together. I would say work really fast with it with the concealer because it's a little bit more on the dry side, so it does dry quicker than most concealers that I use. The setting powder, I tasted it. That's how much you guys know that I love it. It smells delightful, and it really paid off really well because now that dry-ish residue that I was talking about before, it's completely gone. Because it's completely gone since I sprayed the Mario Badescu setting spray, the bronzer. I love those. They're really pigmented, they're really creamy, they're easy to work with, and it blends out really nicely. The highlighter, you guys already see. I don't even need to say anything because it's already speaking for itself. The lip glosses and the lipsticks. Now, if you haven't tried the Fenty gloss, then you are not living yet. They're so amazing. But overall, I definitely, the brushes, goddamn, how can I forget the brushes? The brushes are so soft, and it's just really goddamn nice. Like, I just want it all. Like, just give me the whole Fenty line. So comment down in below and let me know what look you guys want me to do next, and I'll definitely get that on. But for now, bye Bellas.
Done.